Timothy Phillips is Deer Park ISD's keymaster. He and his coworkers service over 300 entrances at facilities across the district. Their work includes routine safety checks of all exterior doors to identify ones that need repairs or replacements. This important task helps keep our students and employees safe.
We are going to go to South Campus and do some security work, checking some doors that need to be upgraded. We're working with a contractor to upgrade some situations that we had that on the bond issue, and we're also doing it in response to other situations to be proactive, to make the doors more secure and try to accomplish a higher level of protection for the kids. We're probably talking well close to 350 exterior doors, various conditions that we have to deal with on a daily basis. Most of them are newer buildings, are not as much of an issue, but we keep track of them anyway, because you never know when there is going to be something that occurs. We try to be ahead of that if possible. We're going to inspect this door. It's a main entryway for supplies and stuff coming into the building, and it's an area that I'm concerned about, and I want to make sure that it's kept as secure as possible. So then we're going to open the door and check the hardware, checking to see what condition it is and how it's functioning. Also looking at the door, making sure there's no oil or any screws coming loose on any of the hardware that allows the door to operate. We're checking the mullion to make sure that it's not shaking, not moving, and that all these parts are tight. We want to try to be proactive so that we can deal with an issue before it becomes a safety problem. So if we see that there's screws falling out, if we see that there's an oil situation, if we see that the panic bar is not functioning correctly, it becomes a safety issue, because then the door is not going to operate correctly and can be an entryway for someone to come in if it's not up to as high a standard as we can under the circumstances. We have a lot of older buildings, so they take a lot of tender care, and we're going to do what we can to make sure that we stay as positive on that end as we're allowed to based on the circumstances.